You must think that if your angels weren't able to speak to you directly and capture your whole attention with something important, they would still find a way to communicate with you through another person. At times, you must stop talking for a moment so that you can hear what is going on around you. The divine wants you to alter the way that you view the world and yourself. Eliminate any judgments and ego traps that were preventing you from realizing your dreams. We are all destined to achieve our individual goals depending on how we truly follow and believe the universal laws. Your angels want to send you this word of love that the divine delivered to them on your behalf. No matter what situation you are in, they wanted you to always feel the love in your heart. Always make an effort to maintain a good and healthy connection with your family, friends, and a healthy marriage with your romantic partner. Your love life will become better soon. Keep in mind the love you've always had for the person who will soon enter your life. Always rekindle the spark and be daring when you can. Maintain the fire you once enjoyed and make sure you both want to work on your relationship. Ups and downs are a constant part of life, as is the cycle we are in. That is perfectly normal. No matter how many temptations try to tempt you, be spontaneous in your love and steadfast in your commitment. You never want to return to your starting point. The keys to maintaining the relationship balanced and working out are happiness, contentment, and communication. Be the lifetime supporter and biggest lean on for your relationship.